Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm sharing one of everyone's all-time favorite desserts, pistachio-flavored tiramisu. This recipe is creamy, rich, super easy, and absolutely perfect for any occasion. If you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share so you never miss my upcoming useful videos. Step 1. Preparing pistachios, 020 to 045. First of all, take pistachios and grind them finely. Make sure the texture is smooth and slightly creamy. This is what gives our tiramisu that beautiful pistachio flavor. Step 2. Whipping the cream, 045 to 120. Now, in a separate bowl, add cold heavy whipping cream. Whip it until you get soft to stiff peaks. The cream should be fluffy, smooth, and stable. This is the base of our dessert. Step 3. Making pistachio cream, 120 to 2 o'clock. Next, add the pistachio cream or pistachio paste into the whipped cream. Also add the prepared pistachio mixture we made earlier. Gently mix everything together until you get a silky, rich pistachio cream. Now lightly crush some pistachios and mix them in for extra texture and flavor. Step 4. Layering the dessert, 2 to 3 o'clock. Now let's start assembling. Take serving dish and place a layer of biscuits at the bottom. Then spread a generous layer of pistachio cream on top. Repeat again, biscuits, then pistachio cream. Smooth the top nicely so it looks clean and professional. Step 5. Chilling time, 3 to 3:30. Once layered, place the tiramisu in the refrigerator for a while. This helps all the flavors combine perfectly and gives you the best texture. Final result and serving, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. And now, our beautiful pistachio tiramisu is ready to serve. Creamy, nutty, and absolutely irresistible. Trust me, once you try this, you'll fall in love with the result. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next delicious recipe.